everyone, welcome back to SAT Math Tutor. Today we're delving into an essential topic in algebra. Functions represented by f of x and f of y and their connection to the xy plane. Get ready to explore this fascinating concept with me. Let's start by understanding what f of x and f of y represent in mathematics. There are simply ways to express a relationship between x and y in a function. Now let's discuss the x-intercept and y-intercept. For the equation f of x equals 0, when there is a point at f of x equals 0, then that means that the x-intercept is at x0. And likewise, if f of y equals 0, then there's a y-intercept at 0y. Now, the domain and range. The domain is the input variable, or the variable inside the equation, and the range is the output variable, or f of x and f of y in this case. So for f of x, the domain is x and the range is y, or f of x. Now for f of y, the domain is y and the range is x. Now for f of x, if there's no point on the graph of f of x that equals 0, then that means there are no x-intercepts in this graph. And now for f of y never equals 0, then there are no y-intercepts in this graph. So the next time you're working with functions, pay attention to where they intersect on the x and y axes. And that's the essence of functions represented by f of x and f of y in relation to the xy plane and their intercepts. Feel free to drop any questions or topics you'd like to see covered in the comments below. And thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe for more SAT Math insights. And until next time, happy studying.